In this video, we will guide you through how to factory reset Windows 10 step by step. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. So just go to the bottom left and go to the gear icon for settings. Now here you will see different options. Just go ahead and choose the update and security, and from here go to the recovery option. Here you will see an option for reset this PC. Just go ahead and click on get started. After that, you will see two options: keep my files or remove everything. If you want a full factory reset, just click on remove everything and just wait for it to load. This will delete all apps, settings, and personal files and return Windows to a clean state. Now you can just go ahead and choose how you want to reinstall Windows. I'm just going to go ahead and choose the local reinstall and click on next. After that, just go ahead and click on reset, and now your system will restart and reset. This process will begin automatically and it may take some time, and your PC can restart multiple times. Once that it is done, Windows 10 will be fully reset to factory settings. And that's it. That's how you factory reset Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.